Right, welcome, I'm Mr. Simons. Now we're looking at the second way or variation of diagram sums. We're going to be using double angles given a trig equation to solve. Right, so given to us, we have to interpret the ratio. If cos theta equal 15 over 17, it's an element of 180 to 360, meaning from third quadrant to fourth quadrant. Without the use of the calculator, we must get these two double angles. So first, interpreting my ratio, 15 over 17 means x is 15 and r is 17. So you always need to remember cos is x over r, sine is y over r, and tan is y over x. Alright? If we plot this, cos is positive, right? 180 to 360. It's negative in that quadrant, it's positive in this quadrant, so we draw my right angle triangle with a 90 degree in the fourth quadrant. So my r is 17, x is 15, and I need to find y. But please, very careful, you see in the fourth quadrant, y is negative. Right, so let's find the y. So from my drawing, y squared equal r squared minus x squared. 17 squared, 289. 15 squared, 225. 289 minus 225 gives me 64. Y squared equals 64, so square root of both sides, y become plus minus 8. But in the fourth quadrant, y is negative, so therefore y equal negative 8 and y not equal to positive 8. No? Right, now that we're done with the difficult part, we can just solve our problems given to us. Alright, so we know that x is 15, r is 17, and y negative 8. Sine 2 theta, if it's multiplied by 2, double angle, if I expand it, become 2 sine theta, cos theta, right? Sine theta, y over r, so my y is negative 8 and my r is 17. Cos theta for x over r, so 15 over 17. 15 times negative 8 would give me negative 80 and 40, negative 120. 17 times 17, 289. 2 times negative 120, negative 240 over 289. Right, always check if you can simplify the fraction any further. Look at cos 2 theta. I can use any one. I could have said cos squared minus sine squared. They have used 2 cos squared minus 1, and I assume you remember. We can still say 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Right, so there cos x over r, my x is 15, r is 17, squared minus 1. 15 squared, 225, 17 squared, 289. 2 times 225 gives me 450. And there, to add or subtract two fractions, we always make the denominators the same. So we assume, 1 can be written as 289 divided by 289. Alright, 450 minus 289 gives me 161 over 289. So you can see with the diagram sums, we will always have to first interpret what's given, drawn in a proper quadrant, and then solve the unknown value, either x, y, or r. Then from there, we might just basically testing, do you know your double angles, compound angles? Do you know your trig ratio, right? That in the next lesson, we'll do a different variation. Right, I hope you enjoy the lesson. I hope you understand. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.